AU. This is a quick tutorial. I just want to show you guys something real simple, real basic, and something that's been kind of bugging me for a while. So now this is for PowerDirector 17, and I'm not sure about other versions of this, but it should work the same way. You just have to look inside the same settings. So what I'm talking about is when you load your PowerDirector editing software, it loads up with the sample clips, right? And I'm always having to remove those before I start a new project. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically load PowerDirector without those sample clips. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here we go. Let's launch PowerDirector. And I'm going to show you something else too. Okay, so first, let's launch PowerDirector. And here it is, the usual screen, right? And we have the 3 timeline mode, storyboard, slideshow creator. So let's go to the timeline mode. Now let's see what happens. So this is exactly what I needed to figure out. And now that I did, I'm doing this to show you guys. All right, you see all these sample clips here? All right, so what we want to do, we go up here to the cog wheel. Okay, we're going to open that up. Okay, now under preferences here, that opened up when we hit the cog wheel, we want to go, see under project. So go under project, and you see you got a couple of things here. Now you can check these or uncheck these, but what we want to do for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to get into the other stuff. We're going to uncheck the automatically load sample clips from PowerDirector opens. All right, so let's unclick that. So now it's not checked anymore. Let's hit OK. And now let's close PowerDirector. All right, now that we closed it, let's launch it again and let's see. So again, let's go to the start timeline mode. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's getting ready to load. Boom, and there you go. You can start your project fresh. You don't have to take the time to get rid of those sample clips anymore. So that does that. But let me show you just one more thing here. When you load PowerDirector, all right, if for some reason you click always enter to timeline mode, say like you click here, right? You checked it, and then say you're missing these 3. Sometimes you want to go into the slide creator, storyboard, or you want to change your aspect ratio, right? 16:9, 4:3, 9:16. Say that you click that and you go to your timeline mode. It's going to load with the new preferences. I'm going to show you something real quick. Okay, so say it loads again, right? So let's get out of here. All right, now let's launch it again and see what happens. So let's say you lost the opening screen and you want the opening screen. So now that it's going to launch, watch what happens. Let's see. Now, see that? It just loaded with the timeline mode directly right away. But let's say that you like that screen and you wanted to get that back. So if you wanted to get that back, you want to go up here to the cog wheel. And we're going to, once again, we want to go, but this time let's go to confirmation. So let's go to confirmation, and under confirmation we're going to look down here and see where the check mark is for always enter time. Now there's a bunch of different check marks, so you can do a bunch of different things here, but for the sake of this tutorial, just the 2 things. Let's uncheck always enter timeline mode to start up. Let's uncheck that. We're going to hit OK. All right, let's close it off. And now we're going to go back to the PowerDirector. We're going to launch it and watch what happens. See, and there it's back again. All right, guys, so that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful to you. Let me know if this is going to save you some time, or do you like having the sample clips in there? Maybe you do, I don't know. But for me, it was wasting a little bit of time every time I loaded and I started a new project. So, all right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all your feedback. Thanks for all the support on my previous videos. Let me know what editing program do you use, and what kind of tips and tricks do you know? If you use PowerDirector, let me know what kind of tips and tricks that you might have that are very helpful to you, that help speed up your video editing process. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks for checking out the video. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so then you will know every time I upload a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.